What's up, y'all? It's Mehlow with Kingz Garage, and we back with another video. Today we're gonna be lowering the Toyota Camry. I have a couple clips of doing it, how to do it, how to get the front down, because with this one, there's a problem with it being up too high up in the front. So a guy on YouTube that I found researching, he did it, and I just copied the way he did it. But man, it was a pain in the ass to get the parts. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but it is well worth it. It really is. And I just got two new 12s. I'm unboxing today. It's from Toro Audio. They sound amazing. I'm telling you, they're badass. Y'all gonna love it. And then today we probably go to a little car meet going down today. So that's pretty dope. Maybe I'll probably get a couple videos and shit like that, but we're gonna see how it goes. And I think that's about it. But when we get to the action, I'll holler at you back then. Deuce. These are the 6/6 coil springs from Swift. They turn out they still make them, I guess, but it was a pain in the ass to get these. And their website, they say they sell them in pairs, when in actuality they only sell them by one. But so they were kind of expensive too. So I mean, I guess anything else to get it much lower, because these max speeding rods right here, or whatever they call them, max speeding, whatever, not doing the job. Yeah, they're not doing the job at all. I didn't put the back ones on yet, because when I put the speakers in there, it's gonna drop that a lot lower. It was, with these in the box, I damn near had like less than a finger. Every bump I hit the tires. So, and then I got even more heavier speakers coming on the way, so that's another issue. So I'll probably just leave those like that, but that is not gonna work. That's already at the low. Got everything on and put back together. I just gotta tighten these bolts up. Once I tighten these up, it'll be all right. But remember, this right here was 9 inches. I replaced it with this 6-inch one right here. And now I have all this room to play with. I've been cranking on it already. I probably already dropped it down maybe 2 inches, maybe an inch. I don't really remember. I didn't have a measuring tape on. But I keep cranking, it keeps coming down. So once it's all the way down to where I want it, I'll get back to y'all and I'll shoot the video again. But look, this is how it is now. And it's a lot lower, that's for sure. It fixed the problem. I'm so low, bro. Look at that. Look how low I am now. So low. So low. I'm so low. I'm hovering. Today we got the Force 12s from Toro Audio. We got them in today. We have 2 of them. We're gonna be putting them in the Toyota. It says 1500 watt RMS, 3000 watt max power. Got all that good stuff. Let's see it. Go ahead and open them up. Clear photos.
Yeah. I bet. I got you. I got you. I'm going around the thing right now.
Well, it's the next day, the next morning. And I forgot to do the outro because, yeah, it was a little too crazy yesterday. But thank you for watching. If you got to this point in the video already, keep an eye for more videos. Shout out to everybody that stayed watching on the last video. And if you're still here, see you on the next one.